Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney and Bloomberg's John Tucker.
Amazon projecting weaker than expected operating income again, and trailing the sales growth of its cloud rivals. At this point, investors are searching for signs that the company's big investments in AI are going to pay off. Andy Jassy, the CEO, is engaged in an AI infrastructure arms race, of course, with Microsoft and Alphabet. It does require a lot of heavy spending on data centers. Both of their rivals earlier reported strong earnings and said they're benefiting from the AI boom. Amazon spent a record $31.4 billion on CapEx in the quarter. That's up about 90% from the same period a year earlier. And they have Amazon Web Services. This is the largest seller of rented computing power, gaining a little more than 17%. Sounds good.
Did you see? I haven't seen anywhere. How did the boxes do?
I have no idea.
Yesterday, I saw 3 trucks, one on Madison, I think 2 on 3rd Avenue. The way the boxes come out of those trucks, I mean, they're like dented. They're throwing those. It's a heat.
Well, the inside is like so much packaging in there. I've never really had a problem with anything being damaged. But it's just like the delivery person for Amazon getting your package undamaged to your front porch. That is not a high priority. I would love to see in the old days David Letterman out in the street doing a piece with the drivers in 98-degree heat here. From observation.
Why don't we continue to the next stock, a wise one?
Why don't we do Apple reporting its fastest quarterly revenue growth in more than 3 years, revenue rising 9.6%. They also predicted fourth quarter revenue would be up by more than analyst estimates. Tim Cook was on the conference call as well. He said, in his words, we saw an acceleration of growth around the world in the vast majority of markets we track, including Greater China.
Yeah, but my question is to Mark Gurman is, okay, they had a ginormous, there's going to be tariffs, let's buy an iPhone. Does that mean the next quarter's weak? I haven't seen that yet.
Possibly. One of the highlights was also services. That was a bright spot, topping projections. Services continue to be the company's biggest growth driver at Apple. Where have we heard that before?
The numbers were just huge. It's $81 billion revenue now.
You want to finish with big oil?
Please.
ExxonMobil, Chevron, better than expected results.
I thought you were going to do the Wawa.
The Wawa, it's been up. It's over $3. Yeah. But you know.
Okay, Exxon.
So, fantastic production figures cushioning the impact of the lower crude oil prices. Exxon actually pumped more oil than it has in any second quarter since the Mobil takeover. That was, a quarter of a century ago when they took over Mobil. Chevron lifting output to an all-time high, almost 4 million barrels a day. So all this production, booming output in the Permian Basin, especially, and elsewhere. The titans of energy continue to surpass Wall Street expectations.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.